$4 and some change. I think it's normally... Hi, it's Jessie, and I'm going to do an unboxing, first look at my new Filofax. Now, this is from Amazon. It was $24 and some change. I think it's normally $35. I'm not exactly sure, but it was cheaper than it was on the Filofax site. So this is the 2016 personal size Filofax in patent with the aubergine dots. And so this is how it came. It came in this box, inside the Amazon box. And then it's in like this plastic case. And then this is like, I don't know how to describe this. It's not really cloth, but it's, I don't know what kind of material that is. And then just this little piece of tape. So let's open this up. And there's also a piece of that fabric-y stuff here too. So this does not have a snap. This has a string around, kind of like a Midori. And it's got a little indentation where the strap goes. Color on this is really pretty. I don't know if you can tell. It's purple with pink dots. And it's shiny because it's the patent. So let's open this up. It's so cute. Okay. So this is just protecting the inside. So we're done with that. And this is protecting, I guess, the coil. Take this out. Okay. So on the inside we have a pocket. And then this is the typical Filofax ring system. And let's flip this to the back. It's a pocket on the back and a pen loop, which let's check if my favorite style of pens will fit. This is my Energel, Pentel Energel 0.7, my favorite pen. Let's see if it fits. Ooh, it's snug. Yeah, that's snug. I don't think that's gonna be, I mean it fits, but that's hard to get in and out. Maybe I can stretch it over time. Oh yeah, I don't want to rip the patent on there. Alright, so in the back here we have a top loading pocket. It's an open at the top, ruler, and then this is the diary pages, which are come like this, attached with the plastic. There's a clear page, and this Filofax with the matching pattern. And then here's all the dividers at the front. I probably will be customizing these, or making my own because they're very plain. We have to-do pages, lots of to-do pages, lined pages. Oh, that's cute. Some grid pages, some blank pages. Well, this is nice. So there's contacts. That'll be good for keeping track of customers and swap partners, that kind of thing. And then just some lined paper in different colors, blue, green, pink. And then we have the 2016 yearly calendar, personal information, notable dates, religious holidays, well, lots of international information, how to register, more notes. Okay, and here's the calendar. It doesn't start until the end of December 2015, so I actually have ordered, which should be coming this weekend, inserts for the end of 2015 from now to the end of the year so that I can use this now. So this is what it looks like for a week. You have 7 days over 2 pages. And then this one is blank up here. think there's a monthly view as well. Maybe not. I thought there was like a monthly as well, but I guess not. So it's just the each week. So I don't need to flip through the whole thing. It all looks the same. And then in the back we have more note pages. Well, one more note page. And that's it. So I'm not sure exactly what I'm going to be using this for. I think for business. And I will do another video once I have set it up and personalized it, but I just want to do a quick opening, unboxing, and walkthrough. And there you have it.